I'm very happy to be here with you, Janik, CEO of Semalytix. You have founded the company out of the spin-off of the University of Bielefeld. What are you doing?
So Semalytix stands for semantic analytics, and we spun out of a research group called semantic computing. Hence our research background and also our company's mission is to help algorithms, help computers understand the written word. It's really difficult to grasp in scale what matters to patients, because right now you usually go through interviews, through surveys, focus groups, which are really done with a small subset of the population and are not necessarily that representative, and they take a long time. With the technology that we've built, both through public and proprietary data, we can extract these insights, this real-world evidence, out of completely unstructured text, free-form text. Why are treatment decisions made? Why are certain things important? This is usually encoded in free-form text, because that is the easiest way for us to convey information. And that's lost. That doesn't make it into the decision making. With our technology, we can do that by instilling this understanding of how does language work in the medical domain, in the pharma domain, into algorithms, which yields then a really unclouded, a very direct version of patient voices. It makes sense when you have a lot of data. How do patients that actually live day to day with the disease? And there's a lot of public exchange happening on that, millions of different voices every day. What matters most to patients? In the matter of a few months, we are able to tell you what matters most to the patient, what are treatment burdens, if there are treatments at all, what are medical unmet needs, and what are disease burdens, so what impacts you the most. And part of the beauty of AI is that once you've designed an algorithm, it will work. And what we do can also be used as a continuous monitoring, which is fundamentally different to how decision-making currently works in the entire industry. With our technology, we can actually turn this around and listen to two different voices of different stakeholders in real time. For example, if you work in a marketing division or sales division and you try out different messaging, you can see the results and impacts as they come live, and they are added into our analyses live. And we also try to target the problems that come after receiving insights. We help you by sharing these micro insights in a very agile way, so that from the point where data is generated in the real world to you creating or proving or disproving a hypothesis that you have and sharing that outcome with someone else within 6 minutes, which compared to the months and months that you usually have in primary market research, this is several tens of thousands % faster than what exists today.
Thank you very much for the discussion.
Thank you.